Hello everyone, welcome to the video series on Computer Science with Python for class 12th. In last few videos, we have seen the difference between local and global variables and their scopes. In this video, we will see the use of global statement. So let us begin. A global keyword is a keyword that allows the user to modify a variable outside the current scope. That means we can use global keyword to use a global variable inside a function. Now let us assume a situation where we have a global variable and a local variable of same name, and suppose inside a function we want to use the global variable instead of the local one. So how to use this? For that we will needing the keyword global. So let us try to understand with an example. Okay, now see here in this program we have a function display here which assigns which is a local variable x and assign the value 5 to this and prints x. We have a global variable at the beginning with the same name x and with the value 10. Now when you call the function display, we will go into the function and there we create a local variable x and print the value of x as 5. Now when you return back and print x, we will be accessing the global variable and here we will print 10. Let us run this program. Okay, here you can see this 5 is printed inside the function where this x is a local variable which uses local scope only. So when you print x, it prints 5. But when you print x here outside the function, it uses the global variable x. So that's why it prints 10. Now suppose we need to access the global variable x inside this function display. How to do this? Because every time you print x, you will be accessing the global one only. But suppose we have a situation where we need to access the global variable. Now there comes the use of the global statement. Now inside the function we can write global, which is a keyword, and then x. Now writing this makes this x a global variable. Now inside this function whenever we are using x, we are not referring to the local variable x. Now this x becomes a global variable. We are not creating, when I write x equals to 5, we are not creating a new variable x. Instead we are using the global variable x. So the x that we have created with the value 10, when you come inside the function it becomes 5. And so what we are printing when you print x inside the function, we print not the global one, not the local one. Now we are going to print the global x. Okay, and outside also we are going to print the global x. So when you run this program, first we create x equals to 10, which is global. Now when you call the function display, we will go inside the function and declare x as a global variable. So when I make x equals to 5, we are not creating a new variable x, we are assigning value 5 to the same global variable. So when I print x here, we will print 5, and then when you return back and print x again, this time also we will print 5. Why so? Because this change that we made to x, we are actually changing the global variable. So we are not having two different x here. This x and this x both are same. So if I run this program now, we will get the output as 5 and 5, both cases. Now let us try to understand with another example. Okay, see here we have a function increment that only increases the value of x by 1, but we have not created any variable x here. Okay, note this. Outside the function we have a variable x whose value is, now you tell me, this x is having local scope or global scope? This is defined in global scope because it is not declared inside any function. Now when I do increment x here, and then I'm calling the variable, I'm calling the function increment x here. So we'll go inside the function. Now if we will run this program, it will generate an error. Why? Because in this function we have not declared any x. So if I run this program, it will generate an error saying local variable x is referenced before assignment. So we have not created any x, we are directly increasing the value. That's why what we can do now here, suppose we want to access this global x inside this function, what we can do, we can write global x. So this makes the global variable x accessible into the inside the function increment. So when I do x equals to x plus 1, we are actually incrementing the global variable x. Now see the use of global statement here. This, because of this global statement, it is possible that a global variable is accessible inside the function. Okay, so when I run this program now, we will get 11 as the output. Getting? Because this global x is incremented inside the function increment, and then we are printing x. In the same way, if I call the function again, and then suppose we will print x, what is the answer? Very good. Both the times we are incrementing the same global variable x. So first time we will get 11, second time we will get 12. Let us run this. 11 and 12, rightly so. Now I suggest you, please go on writing this code in your system, run the code, and then you can clearly understand the concept. Thank you.